those of you who don't know the history of Husqvarna, it started as a weapon factory back in 1600 something. Actually, I have a Husqvarna shotgun that I inherited from my dad. It's from 1890 something. Yeah, but they started making motorcycles in 1903. So a long history. In fact, one of the oldest motorcycle factories in the world that is still making motorcycles. And they started motocross. They introduced motocross in the United States in the 60s. Yeah, the 60s and the 70s was the golden age, so to speak, for Husqvarna motorcycles, Husqvarna motocross and enduro bikes. Husqvarna Silverpilen, Silver Arrow, was a 175cc road bike. They started to make, that was in the 56, 57 I think. Silverpilen and Guldpilen. Silver Arrow and the Gold Arrow. Very popular bikes. And you only had to be 16 years of age to ride those. The Silver Arrow only weighed 75 kilos. In fact, the Silver Arrow, Silverpilen, was the first motocross bike from Husqvarna. They just modified it with better suspension and stuff. I have a little video here you can watch.
Wow, see there?
But then in 1986, 87, Kagiva bought Husqvarna motorcycle brand, and they had it for I don't know how many years they have it. Anywho, BMW bought it then from Kagiva, and then they had it for a few years, and now it's KTM who owns it. So I'm riding a KTM motorcycle with a Husqvarna logo on it. Well, it's a Husqvarna design, very different look compared to the KTM Duke, for instance. More a Swedish design, I guess you can say. I read that KTM is in some financial problem, so we shall see. Maybe they will drop the Husqvarna. I don't think so. They are releasing a new Vitpilen next month, I think. The 2 cylinders, 800 cc, well actually 790 cc I think. As long as they put out new Husqvarna motorcycles, I guess it'll be okay.